Hello, this is Hugh. This is the C-186 helicopter, RC helicopter. Also marketed as the Eachine E-120, I forget. But anyway, it's altitude hold for, single. It's not a stacked rotor or coaxial, but you see it as a 4-blade main rotor, which is really cool. And the funny part is, I got this for under $100. If you don't mind waiting for delivery, you can get it on like Banggood, or I believe the red one I found on Aliexpress, and I have the light gray one which I got on Banggood, and both basically the same thing, just different colors. So, but I had that Blade 120S2 that I did the micro heli conversion to the 3-blade rotor, and just that conversion without the blades was like $75. And this is weird because this whole thing was about maybe $80 or $90, counting shipping, taxes, delivery, the whole thing. So, and it actually flies better than the 120S2 3-blade conversion I did. So anyway, it's just getting dark because I want you to see the lights, because this has the bright tail light and the little searchlight on the front, I guess you'd call it. Let's see. Oh, I think because I didn't have that on, I got to rebind the transmitter. Okay, we should be good. See both sticks down and out. Okay, and this is taking off manually. I'm really hoping you can see the lights. This is the first heli I ever flew in the dark. When it gets really dark out, it's really cool to fly it. And I can actually track it better when it gets a little dark out because of the way my vision is. I'll swing her back around this way. It's flying into the wind right now. Take it this way. Should be a little faster going to the west. Swing around. Back this way into the wind. A little bit slower. And this is on medium, by the way. I'll swing around. And the yaw is very reactive. You have to be very light on the sticks with the yaw, or it'll just whip around on you. To do it smoothly, you really have to be very gentle with it. Very slight movement on the sticks. Yeah, it's a pretty, I hope you can see that. I want to get this closer so you see how smooth this will turn. There she goes. I haven't flown with the camera on in a while, so it's a little bit distracting. I'm trying not to think about it. Like I say, that's on medium. Oh, this is high rates now. And on high rates, you really have to go easy on the yaw because it's actually very reactive. Very much like flying the E-129. It has the tail light that will flash like the E-129 does when it's low on power. or when it's not bound yet. But this battery cartridge is really nice. It's got the 4 lights. It'll tell you if it's fully charged, 3/4, half, or 1/4 charged. It does the same thing when you have it on the charger, but you can also just press the button and check it. It's the 4 little blue lights, really cool. I think this is probably the best sub-$100 helicopter ever made. I can't imagine anything comes close to this. You know, the technology with the battery is amazing, and the fact that you can fly it in the dark if you keep it fairly close is really cool. And like I say, being this was built as a 4 main blade rotor helicopter, it works beautifully. Like I say, the 3 blade micro heli conversion I did on my 120S2, it just never, you know, it was a lot of weight, which really hurt the flight time, and the tail motor just had a really hard time keeping up. You know, go through a tail motor really fast. Hopefully you can see. I'm trying to bring it closer here for a second for you. Because I'm actually having fun flying this. I'm sorry, not really thinking about how well you can see it. And this has the altitude hold just like the E-129 and the E-130. And I hope you can see the tail light swinging around. I hope you can see that light on the nose. I'll keep it pointed towards us here a little bit. Okay. I'll fly a little bit more. My neighbors are real cool about letting me fly over their property. They said no problem. Yeah, just a very slight breeze, but you know, being the whole thing only weighs 95 grams, it's not gonna fly really quick into the wind. Okay, here she comes. You can do the turns quicker if you want, obviously. I really hope you're seeing those lights okay. But this is the first heli I ever flown when it's like really dark out. And as long as it's close, it's really easy to keep your orientation because you have the white light on the front and the red light on the back. And you know, being an Eachine product, you get great flight times out of these too. I haven't timed it. I'm thinking it's gotta be, I don't know, 8-10 minutes maybe, depending on how you're flying. Take her out there. That was I had it out there kind of far and overdid it on the yaw. It took me a second to get my orientation back. I really like to do kind of like sweeping turns if I can. I just think it looks more scaled. It's about 77 degrees out Fahrenheit. They're saying about a 5-mile-an-hour breeze, but you really can't hardly feel it. In fact, I can't feel it at all right now. I'll try to fly it closer for a few minutes, because I don't know if you're seeing any of that or not. I should mention too, I found a fuselage kit for this. So if you damage your fuselage, I found the kit on Heli Direct, I guess it is, Heli's Direct. And didn't see it in red, but they had it in gray. So basically I just wanted to get a set of horizontal tail fins. Both of these have come off it, and one of them got damaged. Well, actually, they both got damaged a little bit, but not really noticeably. You can go crazy with that yaw if you want to. I kind of like to use it a little milder than that, but okay. Well, hopefully you can see that the tail light's flashing, and the searchlight on the front will flash too. So that's really cool. Lets you know, just like the E-129 lets you know that your battery's running well. But this silly, you know, like a lot of Chinese products marketed under a couple of different names. I believe the Eachine version is called the E-120, and I'm guessing there. And the other version that I found on Aliexpress, I believe that one's just called the C-186. So there you go. There's the low battery indicator light. And even though this is a full fuselage helicopter, it takes a beating pretty good. I've bumped it a couple times pretty good, and there's a horizontal tail fins are pretty cool. They're both kind of damaged, but they stay on okay. So, but I do have that fuselage kit coming, so that'd be really neat. And this is the basic transmitter you get with it. Seems to work fine. I don't know what the range is on this, because in my eyesight I'll probably never find out either. But that's it for today. Hopefully you can see that okay. And I hope all is well. Fly safe. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.